Hello everyone, I am Vijay Keswan from CSE department at SCAD College of Engineering and Technology. I have delighted to announce that I have been offered a placement at Highway System Technology as a junior engineer with a package of 4.8 LPA. I am deeply grateful for the placement team for their relentless effort for connecting us with the remarkable opportunity and prepare us for the corporate world. I am also immensely grateful for the faculties for their unwavering support and mentorship throughout our academic journey. I have also like to highlight the invaluable roles played by the skill development program offered by the management. These skill development programs such as Applied Lab and Mante skills are highly helpful for me to develop my skill programs are highly helpful for me to develop the computer skills such as Flutter, Firebase, React.js and full stack development like etc. In conclusion, I am deeply grateful for the faculties, placement team and the management for this wonderful opportunity to study in this management. I also truly excited to make a remarkable contribution to the highway system technology in future. Thank you.